Hi, this is Chris with OptiMA Dry Erase products. Hanging a traditional whiteboard can be a challenge. Walls are rarely plumb and floors are never level. This can cause your whiteboard to look uneven if you don't get the installation right the first time. That's where we can help. Our new easy installation whiteboards guarantee the best possible outcome with minimal effort. Let's get started.
First, mark the desired height of your marker tray. We recommend somewhere between 30 and 36 inches. Draw a level line at your desired height. Use a stud finder to mark your studs. This is where you'll be screwing through the tray. With an assistant, place the tray on the level line and use the long self-tapping screws to attach the tray to the wall. Use the groove on the tray to help line up the screws. We recommend hitting as many studs as possible. Once the tray is mounted, with help from an assistant, insert the board into the tray. While holding the board against the wall, mark a line across the top. Remove the board and place it to the side. Referencing the studs you marked earlier, measure down 1 inch from the line you just drew and make a mark. This is where you will mount the brackets. Make sure the screw is snug, but not too tight to where the bracket cannot be tapped down later. Reinsert the board into the tray and have your assistant hold it against the wall. Gently tap down the brackets with a hammer, taking care not to damage the wall. For this next step, we use a Phillips head extension with a drive guide. Using a drill, screw in the small self-tapping screws into the top of the bracket. Repeat this step for all brackets. And that's it. Congratulations on your new OptiMA dry erase board.